I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head.
Old school VW.
Think you're something
Nice.
out of my nose. See me right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing?
What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys doing well and I hope you all had a good week so far. So looking at the previous video, a lot of you guys enjoyed that video because of the low budget. We had a budget of 25,000 rand. So I decided in today's video I'm going to do a part 2, but this is going to be at the Brackenfell branch in Cape Town. So we're going to take a look at what cars this branch has under 25,000 rand. So guys, I am planning on going to other provinces as well to shoot videos, but that is all for the near future. Today's shout out is going to go to Everest Meyer. I saw your comment, I do appreciate your support. And guys, stick to the end of today's video because today's bonus car is going to be a bit different. It's going to be the cheapest car at this branch. So stay tuned for that. If you're new, please subscribe, and if you get any sort of valuable information from this channel, please subscribe, like this video, and let's see what cars we can find under 25,000 rand. Cheers. So the first car in our budget for today, they have this 2001 VW Citi Chico, and guys, this car is powered by a 1.4 liter engine and it is listed at a cost price of 25,000 rand. It has 339,000 k's on the clock, category B vehicles. So a full disclaimer, all the cars in this video you will not be able to purchase via bank finance. You will see that it has a green decorative sticker, and that is because the CV joints are defective. The front grille is loose, as you guys can see right there, and this car has excessive engine noise. It's riding on 15-inch wheels wrapped with Falcon tires. The aerial is missing, the paint is damaged, as you can see right there, and at the rear you will notice that you have an aftermarket exhaust tip. I'm always anxious to open the doors of these cars because, as you know, it's always a struggle to open the door, as you can see. But you have manual windows, manual mirrors, a 5-speed manual gearbox with no air conditioning, no power steering, no right pedal. This speaker is laying at the back of the rear seat for some odd reason. But basically guys, this is how the car looks from the inside. And like I said, this car is powered by a 1.4 liter engine. It has no service record, so yeah, no service history. And like I said guys, this car has excessive engine noise. It might be that it has an aftermarket induction kit that makes all the noise, but basically guys, this is the first car for today. And I know some of you guys are going to ask me the cost price of this Toyota Conquest, but this particular car is not on the Webuycars website as of yet. Just check during the week if this car is on the Webuycars website. But yeah, basically guys, this is the first car for today. So the second car for today, they have this 1999 Audi A4, and this car is powered by a 1.8 liter 4-cylinder engine. And as you can see, it has no sticker, but this car is listed at a cost price of 24,000 rand. It has 301,000 k's on the clock, and also a category B car, so you can't finance this vehicle. You will see that the bumper doesn't line up properly, and for some odd reason the bonnet doesn't want to close. But I'll show you guys the engine bay in a minute. You have 16-inch wheels wrapped with Michelin tires. The tires are quite smooth, and let's see how the car looks from this side. So from my point of view, this car doesn't have any major dents or scratches. And let's see how the car looks from the inside. So you have front and rear electric windows with electric mirrors, a 5-speed manual gearbox with air conditioning, power steering, and this is how the car looks from the rear. In my opinion guys, the seats are quite ugly. It wasn't taken care of over the years. As you can see, you have even a torn on the driver's seat. But this car is powered by okay, so you have to replace this shock right here. But like I said, this car has a 1.8 liter 4-cylinder engine, and as you can see, engine bay is quite clean. And from the Decra report, they don't say that this car has any mechanical issues, and they also say that it has no service history. So yeah, this is another car for today. Here they have a 1997 Opel Corsa, and this car has a 1.3 liter 4-cylinder engine. Believe it or not, but this car only has a starting bidding price of 14,000 rand, 294,000 k's on the clock, category B car, and it has a green Decra sticker. The reason for that is because the lights are defective, but you know, it doesn't have any major issues. It has 13-inch wheels wrapped with Goodyear tires, and you know, this is the original Opel Corsa wheels. You even have the original boot spoiler. So this is how the car looks from the rear. You have a tow bar at the back, and you know, manual windows, manual mirrors, a 5-speed manual gearbox. And let me know in the comment section down below if this car has power steering. You have rear seats, and guys, let's see how the engine bay look. You also see on the body of the vehicle a lot of rust. But let's see how the engine bay look. Guys, to be honest, I injured my leg, so my leg is sore. But you know, this is the engine bay, 1300 4-cylinder engine, and like I said, they don't say that this car has any mechanical issues, and the water bottle look quite neat. But yeah, this is another car for today, and they also say that it has no service history. So yeah, this is the third car for today. So, old school VW. It's nice. Yeah. This car looks nice, guys. Old school. And this car, I think this car is currently going for 65,000 rand, guys. But yeah, let me know in the comment section down below if this car is worth 65,000 rand. So here they have another Opel for sale, and this is a 1997 Opel Astra, and this car is powered by a 1.6 liter 4-cylinder engine, and it is going for 21,000 rand. That is the mileage category B car. It has a green Decra sticker, and that is because all the tires are different. This wheel, this left front wheel, has excessive play, and the steering is noisy. You will see that, you know, the paint on the front bumper has a lot of damage. It's riding on aftermarket 17-inch wheels, and from my point of view, the paint has a lot of damage. And that is because, you know, this is an older car. You have a tow bar at the back with a sticker that says not sponsored by mommy and daddy. Bruh. Quite weird. So with this vehicle, you have front and rear electric windows, electric mirrors, power steering, air conditioning, a 5-speed manual gearbox. You have leather seats, and the leather seats has a lot of wear and tear. And like I said, this car is powered by a 1600 16-valve engine. Okay, so yeah, this is your 16-valve 1600 engine, and they don't say that this car has any mechanical issues. But yeah, guys, I know these engines are quite capable of revving up to 8,000 revs. So yeah, guys, this is another car for today. So guys, they have another car for sale in our budget, and it is this 1995 VW Mk4, and it is a Citi Chico powered by a 1300 engine. And as you can see, this car is not stock standard at all. So this is the cost price, 14,000 rand, and that is the mileage, 134,000 kilometers. It has a green decker sticker, and that is because the suspension has been modified. It has holes on some of the panels, and they also say that this car has an engine oil leak. What they also say on the decker report is that some of the doors won't open. You have speakers at the back as well with aftermarket exhaust tips, as you guys can see right there. You will see that, you know, the car is not locked. I'm locking the car here, but as you can see, the car is not locked, but we can't open the door, right? But this is how the car looks from the inside. No power steering, no air conditioning, manual windows, manual mirrors, and I can't show you guys the engine bay, but they say that it has no service history. So yeah, this is another car for today. So if you are a boss, you have your own company, you want to look cool, but you only have 25,000 rand and you want to buy a Mercedes, then the only option is to buy something like this. So it is a 1997 Mercedes-Benz E Class. It's powered by a 2.2 liter petrol engine, and it has a cost price of only 14,000 rand with almost 500,000 kilometers. Category B car, so you can't finance this vehicle. You will see on the left fender there's a dent. This car is riding on 17-inch aftermarket wheels wrapped with Sumito tires, and 14,000 rand for a huge car like this is insane, guys. Just look at how big the boot is. It looks like you can literally fit 2 rhinos at the back of this boot. But this car has air conditioning, power steering, electric windows, electric mirrors. What they do say from the decker report is that the window switches are malfunctioning. So I don't know whether you can actually roll down the windows of this vehicle, but that is how the car looks from the rear. And we have to open the engine bay on the left side. So let's see how the engine bay look. So like I said, it has a 2.2 liter petrol engine, and yeah guys, they don't say that this car has any mechanical issues, but what they do say is that it has no service history. Another thing that they mentioned on the decker report is that this car is leaking power steering fluid, and both the front headlights are broken. So yeah guys, this is another car for today. So guys, let me know in the comment section down below if you think that this 1990 Toyota Land Cruiser will outlast a 2023 Ford Everest. And guys, look at how huge this vehicle look. This Ford Everest is powered by a V6 engine, and the Toyota is powered by a V8 diesel engine. Just see how this car look from the inside. Something we want but can't afford, guys. I mean, our 25,000 rand budget is like a deposit on on this vehicle. But yeah, let me know in the comment section down below. And here's one of the salespeople here at Webuycars. What's your name again? Chad. Yeah guys, yes Chad. But yeah guys, let me know in the comment section down below. So the last vehicle in today's video under 25,000 rand is obviously, guys, not a Toyota Runnix. You won't find a Toyota Runnix under 25,000 rand. But they have this 2004 VW Golf Mk4. It's powered by a 2 liter 4-cylinder engine, and it is listed at a cost price of 24,000 rand. I don't know if you guys can see. It has 230,000 k's on the clock, green decker sticker, and that is because the tires are smooth, the windscreen is cracked, and this car has insufficient engine performance. So this car might have engine issues. You can see that the front bumper doesn't line up perfectly. It's riding on 15-inch wheels wrapped with Continental tires. These are the original wheels. The roof is blacked out, as well as the rear tail lights, as you guys can see right there. And let's see how the vehicle looks from this side. Okay, so pretty much this car is stock standard, and this is how the car look from the inside. Okay, so you know, guys, the interior looks horrible. It looks like a pit bull and a Red Bull. Just joking, guys. It looks like a pit bull and a Rottweiler had a fight in this car. I mean, I can't even open the engine bay, but man, let me just try and open the engine bay from this side. Okay, I can't open the car from this side. So as you guys saw, I can't open the car from the outside. I have to open the passenger door from the inside. So here's no lever to open the engine bay, but as you guys can see, the interior looks horrible. So guys, this is the last vehicle for today, and they also say that this car has an unverified service history. So this is the last vehicle for today, guys. So our bonus car for today is, like I said, the cheapest car at Webuycars, and it is this 1998 Daewoo. Guys, I don't know how to pronounce the name, but this car has a 1.6 liter 16 valve engine, and as you can see, the car is currently reserved, but it has a cost price of only 12,000 rand, guys. It has 161,000 kilometers on the clock. You can see that the wheels are so small and the tires are smooth. And can't believe this is our bonus car for today. But like I said, guys, our bonus car is the cheapest car at Webuycars, more specifically at this branch. And this is how the car looks from the inside. So it looks quite neat, as you can see at the back as well. And let's see how the engine bay look. Like I said, powered by a 1600 engine. And okay, so here is your 1600 16 valve engine, and to be honest, the engine bay looks quite neat, guys. But yeah, this is our bonus car for today, and the cheapest car at Webuycars. I'm the one who's always sorry, the conclusion. Even though I offer all of the solutions, I wish you loved me like I love you, it's stupid.